In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect DevOps to Power BI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to sign in, so your DevOps data is ready to use in Power BI. First, open Power BI Desktop and head to the Home tab. That's where most of your core actions live. Click on Get Data on the Home tab. This button is your gateway to all kinds of sources, and it opens the window where you can find the DevOps connector. If you don't see the full list right away, choose More to bring up the search and the complete connector gallery. Next, in the search box, simply type DevOps. Power BI will filter the options for you, and you should see the Azure DevOps connector appear. This is the one designed to pull in your work items and related data. If you're working with a hosted DevOps organization, select the Cloud DevOps connector. If your organization uses a server-based deployment, look for the on-premises option. The key here is to match the connector to where your DevOps lives. If you don't see any DevOps connector at all, make sure your Power BI desktop is up to date and that you're searching in the connectors window rather than the main screen. When you select the DevOps connector, Power BI will prompt you to enter the details and credentials of your DevOps. Typically, that means the organization URL and, in some cases, the project you want to target. Enter the URL exactly as your organization uses it and sign in with your standard organizational account. Your sign-in must have permission to view the data you're trying to access. So if you hit a permissions message, check with your DevOps admin to confirm your access level. If your organization enforces multi-factor authentication, complete that flow when prompted. Avoid pasting any sensitive information into fields that don't ask for it, and never share credentials in the report itself. After you've provided the details and successfully authenticated, the connection will be established, and there you go. Power BI will recognize your DevOps data source and prepare it for use. From here, you'll see that your DevOps information is available to bring into your report, and you can proceed with your usual modeling and visuals, just like you would with any other source. That's all. With Get Data, a quick DevOps search, and the right credentials, you're connected and ready to build insights from your DevOps work. If anything doesn't appear as expected, double-check the connector type, your URL, and your access permissions, then try again.